Hey guys, we have done the installation of the exhaust pressure sensor, and it's a little bit of work, but this is what it looks like when it's all sitting in there with the new bracket. Couple things to remember. Change the hose that comes with this kit to the one that comes with this kit. It's a little bit shorter than the original, and also make sure you used the cord here, the wiring set, because if you do not use it and plug it directly into the factory thing, it will not work and possibly could short circuit this. So please remember those couple things. Everything's cleared up. All the codes were double checked with the scanner. No more trouble codes. Sounds strong. Looking forward to it, and happy miles ahead. Thanks for watching.